What's up? Gonna go for a little drive. It's pouring outside. I love it like this. Gonna see how it does in the rain and try to get some sounds of the engine and all that and see what it looks like. So yeah, let's get it going. Who cares? I put this up on a mount that I bought at like a, basically a Dollar Tree store or something like that. The mount costs like $5, but it works pretty good. I mean, everything's here, so. How's everyone doing, man? Thank you for watching my videos. Getting kind of moist up in here. Hopefully the sound's okay. Plenty of people on the road. Seriously. Holy shit, it's raining pretty good. It was only supposed to rain a little bit today. Turn those headlights on, huh? So there's a spot I like to drive over here. It's got like a nice little roundabout down the street here. A couple roundabouts you can really smash through. And if you've been following my videos, I've done some mods to this 1998 Honda Accord 4-door 2.3 liter VTEC engine. Now everyone hates on the F23A1 motor, and I don't get why. It's pretty nice. Yeah, it's a single cam. Let's turn some AC on and get this cleared up real quick here. Yeah, it's a single cam, whatever. It puts out 150 horsepower, 150 pound-feet of torque. Like, I don't know. What does the V18 put out? 160? It's pretty nice. Twin cam. I don't really need all that. I got displacement, dude. Or, yeah, I'll take a V18. 20. Alright, so new sway bars up front, new sway bars out rear. Everyone's driving like a fucking labia. What are you doing? Actually, it's my bad. He's right. Alright. My mistake, Legacy. You got it right the whole time. Gotta love some rain driving, man. Hopefully you can hear any of this stuff. I'm trying to capture some of the sounds of the intake, VTEC stuff, the rain combination. It's a nice combo. It's a nice combo. The view's great, right? How about that? Alright, here we go. Open up road. Oh, here we go, yielding. brakes a little bit. It's a great place to test your car out, man. Not sure if it's a great place to test it on the rain, but pretty fun for me. This is in Mexico, by the way. It's always Mexico. Honestly, Hondas are so like full of noises. They don't even go that fast. I love Hondas, man, but it's a lot of like action and noise stuff compared to what it really looks like. S2000, awesome car. Sounds, looks great. I mean, is it really that quick? I don't know. I actually had one whoop my ass on my SHO. Just some drag racing stuff. This guy roasted my ass. Head back. Of course, back to roundabouts. This is kind of my like area I go check out to try stuff out in my car. Let's turn the fucking AC on, dude. Another Gen 6 right there. The crazy thing about these cars is they're all automatic. No one got the manual, and I don't know why. A little liquid death right here, man. This shit rules, man. Can't punch it first. That's good. On the road, man. See the wheels tilted like this? That ain't my car, that's the road right now. It tracks real well. AC's on. No. That's 10 horsepower, dog. Maybe less. Maybe more, man. It feels like 20 horsepower on this motor. Seriously. If you like these videos, man, make sure you subscribe. I appreciate it. I love making the videos. I love seeing how they do and all that stuff. Little heel toe there. Punch it. Nope, not yet. These new sway bars are great, man. They really are. Again, look at my videos to see the sway bar upgrade videos I did, and to get a feel for, you know, what it costs. And like, actually, I don't even cover the cost on the videos, but I do go over installation and how-to stuff. But yeah, got a couple of videos on there. Still got to install the CL strut tower brace that I want to put in. Pretty good. Woo! Slow it down. Well, let's pull a little bit to the right. The crown's heavy like this. Me, or do Hondas want to be driven hard? I'm inherently a Ford guy, and it's like Fords just don't want to be driven hard, but Hondas for sure do. The gearboxes are so good. Woo, man. Another roundabout coming up. over the place, man. Dude, watch out for that water. I would like to turbo this thing, but boy, I'd imagine this thing'd have a hard time getting grip with anything. It don't make crazy power, but boy, it makes enough. I don't get really noticed in the streets with this car at all, which is nice. So I don't want to be noticed. I did just order a catback exhaust, and I have a vibrant muffler that I'm going to be replacing the fart can it comes with. 2.5 manual bent tubing. That's going to be the stainless steel. So I got it for pretty cheap. I got it for like under 200 bucks. And I would say that if it weren't for the fool that stole the cat out of this car, I would easily have a swap done in a weekend here. But now it's more looking like I've got to either cut it off myself, the welded exhaust, or take it to a shop and get re-welded. And I'm more of a person that likes to have the ability to, you know, change stuff up. So I'll probably cut it out myself, take out the stock exhaust myself, and do a recap here. Let this non-turbo cool down real quick. And that's good enough for a Honda, right? So, oh shoot. All right. Oh, I tied it up pretty good. Hold on. Bear with me here. We're at 13 minutes of driving. So, I think... Ooh, boy. The whole goal of this video was to kind of show something with the exhaust. Not exhaust. The way it sounds, the way the VTEC hits, all that. And just to do a cool rain video, I guess, which was fun. I love driving in the rain. It's like a unforgiving, yet kind of has some sort of leeway a little bit because of the way it slides. It's fun. But yeah, I like making these videos. And if you like, subscribe, all that stuff. I would say the reason I made the video ultimately is just to hear, you know, and see the shifts. No one wants to see my dumb face in the videos. But again, I like making them. But I just ordered that catback, like I kind of mentioned on the last part of the video now. And I would love to do a DC header 4-2-1, 4 in terms of like 4 out of the 4-cylinder goes into 4, the 4 goes into 2, the 2 goes into 1 out the back exhaust. I'd like to do a cat bypass or like a test pipe of some sort, but I'm trying to keep it all legal as usual with these cars. I hate swapping stuff out. If I do exhaust, I don't want to deal with every 2 years in California having to re-swap the stuff, which I can do, but it's so annoying. And plus, I know none of this stuff makes a lot of power anyway. Cold air intake, which is legal in the car, it makes a little power, I'm sure. Somebody claims on here that it doesn't make power. I don't really care. It's more fun for me. It's more fun to look at. How about that? It sounds better. How about that? So the catback I ordered was a DNA something, probably some bullshit, you know, exhaust type of deal. And while I'm excited to get it, I just don't like the classic cylinder, like fart can look that every import has. So I've gone with the vibrant muffler, which is going to be a 2.5. Well, it's a two outlet, dual outlet on the back, and it's powder coated black, just like the car's black. So I'm trying to keep it very like stealth style, you know. Liquid Death, dude. I want to thank my sponsor, Liquid Death. No, they're not my sponsor. Not any sponsors. Yo, I got my own sponsors, bro. But for real, I'll get that cat back on Tuesday, and I'm gonna be pretty hyped to put that in and see how it sounds and how the car feels, because I can feel the car's got power, but it needs more, a little more get up. And I think that the exhaust is gonna do just that, I hope. Anyway, tune in for the next one whenever I make that. I gotta still install the sway bars are done, cold air intake's done, HIDs done, shifter mods are done. That's what, 2 things done. And then I've got the cat back to do with the vibrant muffler. And what else do I have on the list? I'd like to lower it a little bit. Might even look into just cutting the front springs, like a real ghetto rat rod, you know, thing. But probably won't do that. I hate taking springs off. These cars have wishbone suspension, which is nice for driving, but you know, coilovers are never fun to deal with on any car. SLA, you know, doesn't matter. They're all miserable to swap springs out. So I'd like to lower it a little bit and maybe do some weight reduction in this thing, see how it does. And I want to build some more power. I looked into a cam, and cams are not a thing really with these cars. Minus one company is a regrind, and it's just a waste of time probably for what, 5 horses maybe. No one makes nothing for these cars. So if you're a 6th gen person and wants more information on 6th gen Honda Accords, keep the game strong, man. Don't give up. Let's, you know, unify this whole thing and make them fun again. All right, or not fun again, but keep them fun and keep smashing them. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next video. Please subscribe, share the videos or whatever, and also tell me what you think in the comments. You know, shoot your ideas and talk some shit. I don't know. All right, later, man.